Welcome to the MongoDB training session. Today we are learning how to work with the MongoDB Compass editor, how to create a collection through MongoDB Compass editor, how to create a collection by reading the data from the CSV file and also from the JSON file. To start with, I am connecting to the MongoDB Compass local database. Click on the connect button. So you can see the database which we have created in our last session. So here the database that I am using here is WinDB. Now let us see how to create the new collection. So click on the plus symbol to create the new collection. So give the collection name. So in this example, I'm creating a collection by name employee tab. Then type the collection name as employee tab. Click on the create collection button. It opens a new tab for you. Here you will find many options to add the data, to export the data, to update the data, to delete the data from the collection. Now I will show you how to import the data from the CSV file. Click on the import button. Then what you can do, so you can just go to the folder. So wherever CSV files are there. See, I have a employee.csv file. Just select the CSV file. Click on the select button. It imports the data for you from the CSV file. You can see all the data, the employee number, employee name, job, hire date, salary, and also you have the department number column. This is basically the raw data. Here you can change the data as per the column headings as per your requirement. For example, I will change the hire date column. Column name is hire date. But if you see the data type, it's showing string. But our column contains the date value. So you can just click here and you can change the data type to date. Salary, the data type they have given is int 32. If you want, you can change the data type to double. Means it allow you to store the decimal values. So after doing all these changes, so you can just click on the import button. So when you click on the import button, your employee tab collection will be filled with the data from the CSV file. So here you can see the data which is coming from the CSV files and it is stored in the key value format. Now let us study how to read the data from a JSON file. Then you create a button, create a new collection. I'm creating a new collection. So employee JSON. Click on the create collection button and then click on the import data. So go to the folder. So here you can find the JSON file which contains some employee data. Click the JSON file on the select button. The data will be imported. On the import button, the data will be imported to the collection. You can see the objects over here and also you can see the data from the JSON. The data from the JSON. Hope you have understood how to create the new collection using the Compass editor, how to import the data from the CSV file and also from the JSON file. So we are completing this session. Thank you.